What's up, guys? In this video we're going to be taking a look at a plugin called Autopairs. So if you're following along with the Neovim from Scratch series, you can check out branch number 09. If you're doing this on your own, then feel free to follow along. It should be just as easy. Alright, so what is Autopairs? You can see I open up an open parenthesis there, it closes it automatically for me. Same with a curly brace, same with a bracket there, or potentially a double quote, single quote, so on and so forth. You get the idea. So basically that's what Autopairs is. Now what you're going to do is just add the plugin. So it'll be, let's see, where is Autopairs here? There it is. Okay, so it'll be from WinWP Envim Autopairs, and that is the plugin we're going to be using for this particular video. Alright, so the next thing you're going to do is create a configuration for it. So we got a autopairs.lua file here. Now where I found the stuff or the way to do this configuration is over on the GitHub repo, so you can go check out the README over here. I grabbed a lot of it from there. So it is tree sitter aware, so there is some tree sitter stuff here that you should be aware of. You can kind of read that, like read over it in the README or in the docs. You'll get a better idea of the tree sitter integration. We can disable it for certain file types. So for instance, the telescope prompt, or this is Spectre panel. I mean, I may go over that in a different video, but you don't have to be worried about that file type. But any file type that you don't want it active for, and I'll show you how to get file types really fast. So imagine we do telescope find files here, and then we open up a parenthesis. You see how it doesn't automatically close? Well, if we do something like this, we can do echo and ft, and that's going to give us the file type. So that's how I knew that this was called telescope prompt, and to make sure that I don't get automatic pairs in there, I just disabled it for that particular file type. Alright, and then there's this other concept of fast wrap. So for instance, let's just put one here, and then we'll do Alt-E, and now you can see that we have Q, and then we have WER, and then like $. And so these are all places where you would end up placing the closing parenthesis, where you wouldn't immediately know where to put it. So if I put Q, you can see that's where it puts it. If I am back, I think it's if I'm in insert mode, and then right after it, I'll do it again. And now if I put $, will always be the end. So if I put $, it'll just put it all the way at the end. So this isn't really a good place to put parentheses like that, but it's something you should know that you're capable of doing. These are characters that it's active for. These are just some other, like this is the end key. These are keys that will show up. So those are the keys you saw as options. So on and so forth. These are kind of just the settings for what's called fast wrap. So that's something you can do. It also lets you do some highlights. So for instance, if you wanted to know what kind of highlight that you wanted it for, you could do high, and then you can see I'm using P menu select, and that is the foreground, and like that color, that little blue color down there. So when you see me open a parenthesis here, and then I do Alt-E, you can see that that is the background there. Yeah, okay. So let's see what else. This is the integration with CMP. So CMP is our completion plugin. So if I start typing like this, you can see this is all the completions I'm getting. And if I do require mod name, usually what would happen if I press enter here is it wouldn't actually put parentheses for me, but now it puts parentheses for me. So the reason that happens is because CMP hooks into, Autopairs hooks into CMP, and you can see that this is some special stuff for LaTeX down here, but all you basically have to do for that is this right here. So that's, well, I guess that's what you have to do to get the LaTeX stuff working. I guess it works automatically. Let's go check out our configuration for CMP. So if we look for auto inside of here, yeah, so I'm pretty sure that's all you'll have to do. I don't think there's anything special you actually have to do inside of here. Now we should also check to see, because I kind of forget, if there's anything special we can do with tree sitter. It looks like you can also enable auto pairs for tree sitter, so you can say that that's true. I guess this will make it somewhat more tree sitter aware, but I I don't really know like what extra value that provides, but it's something that I do set. All right, so that's basically that plugin. It's a small plugin. I just wanted to make a quick video in this series for it. Make sure to go check out WinP, Neovim Autopairs. Go read through the repository, get a better idea of what's going on with it. And if you're enjoying the content, you can support me over on GitHub or on Patreon. There's a link over there and in the description. And I will see you guys in the next video.